Few moments, please. Few moments, please. Sorry, there's a mistake somewhere around here. That's I want to correct before I proceed. There's a mistake somewhere around here. Okay, so let me proceed. Okay, I think it's cool like this. So I just have to add my colors again. So at this point, I will merge these points, these parts together. Oh no. I have to make it white. Then this part here is the red. So we are good. At this point, I'll just have to delete all these lines here. I no longer need them. Just delete the lines. Now this is it. Now I need to draw this umbrella. I need to draw this umbrella, and it will actually take me some time to draw. So to actually get it faster, I'll just need to do this. This is this one will make my work really fast. So let me just do this instead of the delays. Okay, from this point here to this point, we are good. Now this is it. I'm actually tracing it. I'm actually tracing it. If I want a faster work, this is just what I will do. If I want a faster work, but I don't even teach people this part anyway. But because of um for the sake of this video, I don't want the video to be that long, so I just have to use this method to complete this video quickly. Now as you can see, I'm trying to now this is it. From this point to I'll have to create a line to this point. Yeah. Now instead of trying to recreate this line, I'll just have to duplicate it. I don't, because I'm trying to save time. So this is it. So this is it. I am done with this line too. I just need to adjust it until I get a perfect one. Now this is it. We are done. So at this point, I'll just have to apply my color. Um, so this is it. This and this. We are done. Now, I'll have to create this lower one here. I hope you can see this lower part here. I have to create it. How do I achieve that? So just simply come down to my Bezier tool again and draw another line. The same way we drew it at um, the first time. This is it. Now we are done. Okay, I just need to apply some curves here. Apply some